Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the first bingo number drawing, the kickoff of the LDA Christmas bingo that we are playing in the Facebook group together. And I want to start off by saying that it was so much fun seeing all the entries with the bingo cards, and some really made beautiful bingo cards, embellished them, and did pretty little Christmas stuff on it, and some others made doubles, so the one they can play with, and the more embellished ones. And there were also people that were joining in a little bit later, and they just wrote down the numbers on the card, which is quite all right because it's all about the numbers, and the other thing is just playing. So I'm so happy that we have well, a lot of people joining in, and I'm going to do some drawing within a few minutes, but I wanted to share with you that I had planned to do some sort of, I don't know how you call it, live blogging, like a video outside in my area where I live, and take you along, like into a store, a craft store, and anything like that. But yeah, apparently we are in lockdown again since, well, it was announced today, and as of tomorrow 5 in the morning, we are in lockdown, which means I can only take you to the grocery stores, which, well, can be interesting, but I don't think that will be fun video stuff to watch. So I have to think of something else. But yes, like I said, we're going to do the drawing tonight for some numbers. I have my own card where I'm playing with over here. No, wait a minute, that's something else. It's in here. And I'm not really playing, of course. I'm just crossing off the numbers for fun. And I think we are going to draw, let's say 5 numbers to start with, because I don't think everybody has bingo very fast, and we don't have a lot of time because next weekend it's already Christmas. So let's start off. I have here, I counted all the, I don't know how you, still don't know how you call these in English or in Dutch, but I have counted them, and there are 75. So we have all the numbers. Yeah, let's start. It's really fun. And I have here the list where I cross off the numbers that will be, that I will draw, sorry. The first number is N39. So this one is here. I'm going to take it off after, but I'm going to take a picture and post it in a group also. And I'm going to draw the second number. B7. So B7. We got B7. And I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to show you some things I have. Oh, I forgot that I'm playing along also. I'm going to check my card. I think I have one number already. And the third number is N35. So this one. So let me check what I got over here. I have this one. I don't have N35, and I don't have the B7. So I only have one number. But this just gives me a guide on how many numbers I need to draw in one time. Otherwise, if I only draw 2, then we will be drawing bingo numbers for ages. I'm gonna put this aside, and I'm going to show you something fun. And that is the Enchanting Forest. I wrote it down wrong. I see it now. I have to adjust it. I'm sorry. This is really stupid. But I'm going to adjust this one. So, Enchanting Forest with one R. This is just a promo sheet, so I'm going to change it. It's no biggie. But it's a junk journal kit. It is winter themed, and sorry, I'm just setting the temperature of the heater a little bit lower because it's very warm. Winter themed forest, some sort of enchanting journal kit, and it has yeah, I think little sweet animals in it. I never made something with animals like this before, but I wanted to make something that is winter themed, but it's not all Christmassy or well, dark colors like the fall colors. I wanted to have something when we all done the Christmas stuff, we can go and move towards more well, softer colors like pink and purple, and then slide into fall, sorry, spring. So yeah, I'm just quickly going to show you the pages because we are playing bingo, but this is like I said, 14 pages. Page number 1, number 2, there are also backing pages. The 3rd page, and I really like this one. So there's green also, and pink and purple, and I like the birdies and the little foxes too. And there's also a little bit, I think you call it teal, we call it turquoise, well, we call it turquoise, but you call it teal, I think. So this is one of the pages. This is one of the backing pages. So this is more pink toned. This is more greenish, bluish toned, but still something you can actually write on, but also can be used as a cover page, of course. Then we have this one. And of course we have the tags. And I have 3 with a little image, and the other 3 are for you to embellish or whatever you want to do with them. Then of course the slanted pockets, 4 of them. This is always in the kits, so it's not a new thing. Then I have some journaling cards and some little pieces to embellish your tags or your pockets or your pages with. Then I have these ones, and I really like this one. This can be cut out like fussy cut items in small, and you can embellish the little cards and the little labels over here. Then we have a large coin envelope. I left it plain so you can put one of the, like this one on front, or put fabric underneath or lace. And then I included one of the file folders, and the file folders is something really fun to work with. Let me grab one of the Christmas kit. I have this one. This is in the December to Remember kit. And what you can make out of a file folder is this. And it's very easy to make. And I will do a little video on how I made this one, or make a similar one. And this is just in Christmas pages, but you can do this in every page, of course. And I even stamped on a button, I'm doing this again, on a button over here. Yeah, and I made a closure, and this is a tuck spot for all the tags. This is from the Christmas in July kit, this too. So I combined 2 of my kits together, and I made this little tag over here. The key is not on the right spot. So, and on the front we have a little clip, but you can leave it, and some tickets and a tag. But you can do a lot of fun stuff with the file folders. You can use them as a cover for a small journal, but also use them as an insert cover. And this is the inside. This is from the Christmas in July kit also, and I just put some different pages in it, and I also did some embossing. I really enjoyed doing this. It was a lot of fun. So, and some stamping. So there's nothing special going on, but just a plain little journal. So yeah, just wanted to show you this. Like I said, we are going to make one in one of the next videos. Yeah, so this is this, and you can turn it into this. So just so you know. And yes, let's continue with the drawing. So this is the forest kit, the Enchanting Forest kit with 1 R, not 2. So I'm going to change that. And yeah, these are the numbers we just have already. And let's move on. Maybe I'm going to draw a little bit more numbers. Sorry, I took out 2. This is O, 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 or a weird O. O 69. Yeah, 69. It's over here, and I have that number. Yay. And the other one is B12. And I have B12 also. So I'm playing with 1 bingo card and I already have 3 numbers. Maybe we draw some more numbers. Yes, we're going to do that. But I want to show you something else first. Maybe you saw it on the Instagram, I'm not sure. I did some quick crafting this week. Some easy things. Don't move the numbers. And I made this. I have this We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch. And I made, this is some regular cardstock. This is on the inside. Well, 2 pages. 2 sides are decorated. So I put this one on the outside. This on the inside. Did some stamping with a Christmas stamp. And I did some little bit collaging and some, this is embossed paper, and also well, it's embossed but also through the embossing machine, so it's 3D and also with a sticky thingy on it. I'm not really good at the embossing yet. I tried, but it looked like a little bit like wallpaper, because I also make little bags, and this really looks like wallpaper to me, and I really enjoyed this, even though it's not perfect. But I made this large envelope, and then I made 4 little bags. This is just some wrapping paper that comes with mostly the Amazon packaging. And inside there's nothing special. There's just some folded paper, so the package has more body. But I made 4 different sizes, as you can see, and also did some stamping on this button. And I collaged on the front, and this is not really Christmas themed, but I do really like how these turned out, and it was so much fun making these, and it's very quick, so I wanted to show you this. And if you want to see me do a tutorial on the bags or on the envelope, just let me know below in the comment section, and I will try to make a video. Okay, let's draw, I think. Yeah, what shall we do? 3 numbers? Yeah, we're going to draw 3 numbers extra. Just because I can. B11. So that's over here. I don't have B11. And the next one is I26. Do I say this right? Yes, I'm saying this right. 26, and this is the last one for today, B13. So, and just to refresh your memory, we are playing, the first prize is this journal. I start off with the journal already. This was not supposed to be in, and I did do some stuff on camera, and I have a video on working on it. We made 2 of the envelopes, the blue one, and I also have more like this one. But I still have to do I have to work on this, I know, and we're going to do that, but I'm going to do some things off camera, some things on camera. But when you have a full bingo card, the first one, and it's correct, you win this journal. The second one who has a full bingo card wins the paper set and the craft supply set I have show you in another video. And the third prize is one of my kits, a full-size kit from my Etsy store, and one of the embellishment kits. So we have 3 prizes you can win. But for those of you who just tuned in and thinking, oh, I can play along, you can't because you had to have your bingo cards ready before today. Otherwise you can choose the numbers that I already picked. So that isn't fair. But maybe if this is a fun thing to do, we can do it again, maybe in springtime or something like that. We just see. But for now we have these, and I'm going to post a picture in the group too. Not sure if I'll do that today, maybe tomorrow, but I will make a link to this video so you can see the numbers, because obviously I would want you to see the video and show you all the things. If you like the video, maybe you want to give it a thumbs up. If you like the video and you're not subscribed, maybe you want to also subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. And thank you all for your support. Thank you for joining in with the bingo. And yeah, I hope you have crossed off some numbers also on your cards like I did. And I hope to see you next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.